Here is a chart that shows us a range, as the complete range of the security style friction hinges available with us, except the parallel hinges. The first series are the enhanced defender, and as you see here, in order to be able to specify, we first do the vent weight calculation. Here it is given. The figures on the left are the vent weight in kilograms, which we will be calculating by the method just shown to you. And if it's a top hung window, then ED means enhanced defender and T stands for top hung, and 6 is the size of the friction hinge in inches. The minimum vent height is 150 millimeters. If you have a vent height smaller than this, then you cannot go for this. The maximum vent height is 300 millimeters. So your vent height should lie between 150 and 300, and this gives the opening angle, maximum or restricted. So the EDT 6 is a friction hinge that will hold a sash weight of 10 kilograms and will open up to 50 degrees, and the sash height should be between 150 and 300. Let's see the EDT R16. So when you have the word R, it means a restricted friction hinge, which means it will open to a small degree, not enough for a child to fall out, and then you need to press a button so that the friction hinge opens further ahead. This button can be pressed only with the pressure that is possible to be given by an adult. A child will not be able to give this kind of a pressure. So you have an ED, enhanced defender, T, top hung, and R, restricted. 16 means the length of the friction hinge is 16 inches. The maximum weight for this particular hinge will be 21 kilos. The vent height size should be between 500 to 780. This is a chart for the side hung windows. You have ED8, EDS12, EDSR12. The R signifies restricted, S signifies side hung, and E signifies egress. Egress windows, as discussed before, they open out fully to 90 degrees for a person to be able to jump out in case of a fire, or for the fireman to come in. However, this window can be shifted so that on the rear side of the sash, one can stick out their hand, a person can stick out his hand and clean the glass from outside. So it's got an easy clean option. This was discussed in one of the previous sections. So if you have the alphabet E here, then it is a egress window, which means you can shift the sash for easy cleaning. The next series here is EDCSM. These are Singapore. These friction hinges were built for Singapore, and some of the standards at Singapore are very tough. So these are friction hinges which are customized, and they are good for Singapore standards. The EDCSM range is side hung, and also EDSH range here is side hung. The word A means austenitic steel, which is SS304 stainless steel. The Sterling range here, it's depicted as SPT, and then the size of the friction hinge. You have a maximum for top hung, a maximum weight is 180 kilos, and 2500 is the maximum vent height. If you have anything more than this, then we cannot specify Sterling. This is for the side hung Sterling, SPS. SPT is top hung for Sterling, and SPS is side hung for Sterling. Storm B10 is top hung, and Storm BS10 is side hung. This S stands for side hung. And in Storm series, for the side hung, you have a maximum of 838 millimeter of vent width, that is possible with 47 kilos. On the top models, you have 120 kilos as the maximum weight and 2200 millimeters as the largest vent height that's possible.